Hi, first grade. Happy 100th day of school. Woohoo! We made it. 100th day of school is so exciting. And so today we are going to look through some fun facts about 100. Are you ready? All right. So does anyone know what is 100? Do you know? How many is 100? If someone asked you what is 100, what would you say? Maybe you'd say 100 is a really big number. If I counted by ones, it would take me forever to get to 100. Maybe you would say that I have been in school 100 days now in first grade. That's true. Today marks our 100th day of school. 100 is a big deal. So how could you make 100? How do you think you could make 100? If I were making 100, here are some ways Miss Blaine would think through it. Maybe I would say that 100 is 100 small parts. So maybe that's just me counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 100. That would take a long time. Or maybe I say it's 10 groups of 10. So what if we counted and skip counted by tens? You ready? Let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We made it. We were able to count by 10 fingers 10 times, and we were able to get to 100 because 10 groups of 10 makes 100. Can you say that? 10 groups of 10 makes 100. Good job. All right, so now we got to think. Every day when we have our calendar meeting, we talk about the different places in a number. But typically, there's only 2 places in our numbers so far. Typically, we end up having a number in the tens place and a number in the ones place. But what if we had a number like 100 that had 3 digits in it? We would put the 1 here in our hundreds place. We would put the 0 here in our tens place, and the 0 here in our ones place, because we could also just skip count by 100. 0, 100. We wouldn't have to count on by any tens, and we wouldn't have to count on by any ones. So that is how the different parts of 100 work. Now, let's keep looking and see if we can figure out some more things about 100. Do you think you could find 100 things around your house? Maybe you could find 100 pieces of pasta or 100 Legos. Maybe you have 100 buttons at your house or 100 coins. So I want you to pause the video, go find 100 things, and then start counting them. So pause. All right, hopefully you have all of your 100 things. You could count them by ones. Remember, that's when Miss Blaine counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or maybe you could bundle them in groups of 10. Maybe you could have 10 buttons here, and then 10 pasta, 10 coins, 10 Legos. If you had 10 groups of 10, that makes 100, just like we talked about earlier. 100 is an exciting number. We have been in first grade for 100 days this year, and now you have 100 things in front of you. So after you've watched this, there are some fun and exciting activities on Seesaw for you to finish to keep working on your 100 skills and celebrate being in first grade for 100 days. I'll see you later, first grade.